So, doing a quick cold start video. So this thing has a wait to start. Here's the brake. Then a wait to start light, and it just pretty much waits for the glow plugs to cycle, and then it goes off. There you go. And when those lights go off, you're ready to go. And the Murphy gauge shows your RPM, shows PSI, and then engine temperature and engine hours. And you can go in between all of those. That's how that works. So when you want an accurate reading and you're driving, you can get cool temperature, engine temperature pretty quickly. And it's all digital too, so coming from the computer.